What tools do you need to day trade? That's a very important question, right? What do you need to be a day trader? So let me orient you to what's on the screen right now. This is called a chart. Number one, you need something. You need some sort of technology, computer, smartphone, iPad, whatever you can actually open your brokerage app or platform on it, so you can day trade. Was of course the ticket stuff like that. Number two is a chart. What's a chart? A lot of people don't know what a chart is. There is another video in our library of videos. We can actually tell you what's a chart, what you're looking at. I'm going to explain it in a way that I'm just assuming you know what a chart is. I'm assuming you know what a candlestick is. I'm assuming you know what's open price, what's close price, what's low, what's high. I'm just assuming you know all that, because not every trader, this is not like most people actually they know about day trading. They're just not consistent. That's why they're watching these courses or videos. So you need a chart. What you're looking at here is Twitter, and it's a 5-minute chart, which means every candlestick is 5 minutes, every bar is 5 minutes time frame. Okay, this a day was like pretty much flat. It's kind of always within a range, and this right here, that dotted line, is your prior day close. So it's kind of like more of a bearish day. You are kind of like flat under the prior day close, which translates to a bearish day. What happened here is, boom, an explosive bar. What we call it a trigger bar. The trading plan is going to explain you all of that. We have trading plan videos. I highly recommend you watch these if you don't know what I mean. So your trading plan says once you have a trigger bar, you buy, and that's exactly what happened. A trigger bar, followed up by kind of like more of a shakeout bar right here, and then another trigger bar, and of course as this going up and down, that trader, you see that blue dot right here, that's when he gets, once it reached his the prior day close, once it pushed up above the prior day close, he buys in. He buys 100 shares, and of course he puts his stop where? His protective stop till below that support line. Second bar starts right here and it dumps down, but it has not hit his stop, so he left it. Third bar, you see the volatility, you see all these tails or the wicks, see how big these wicks are? That's volatility. So the third bar came in, pushed even higher. What happened with the fourth bar? Fourth bar, he actually, once it pushed higher again, boom, he secured another 100 shares. And let me just tell you, this guy has a very small account, but he is outstanding when it comes to execution. Day trading is all about execution, and he treated those two different entries as two different trades, even though they're considered one trade. So what he did is he had his stop right here, which I think was about 25 cents, but he had his profit objective as 3-to-1. So for the 25 cents, he was aiming to get a 75 cents profit. And boom, once he got it, he sold. Even though the market did not turn red, but he saw the volatility coming down, and he scored, I think in this one, he bought it at 42, and he sold it at 42.90. So he scored 90 cents for this 100 shares. The second 100 shares, he bought them here, he sold them here. That is 42.22, sold it at 43. So he scored 90 cents for the first one and 78 cents for the second trade. So his profit objective was 75 cents for the 25 cents he risked. What he scored in the first 100 shares is 90 cents per share, which is $90. For the second 100 shares, he scored 78 cents per share, which is $78. So 90 plus 78 is what? 171. He scored $171, risking $50. That's how you properly trade. So you need a chart. You need, of course, a technology, like computer technology piece, like computer or smartphone or iPad or iPhone. And you need a brokerage account. You need a trading plan that tells you where's your risk, where's your reward. And you definitely need a data, lifetime, real-time data from your brokerage account.
Thank you for watching. Share this with friends and family, and please subscribe.